As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at two propane grills, the Master Cook 3-burner and the Weber Q2800N Plus. What's the deal?
Okay, let's break it down. The Master Cook is cheaper, around $200, while the Weber is almost double that at $399. Big price difference right off the bat.
Yeah, that's a significant jump. What does the Weber offer for that extra cash?
Well, the Weber is smaller overall, but users say it has a surprisingly large cooking area, good for a family of 4 or 5. The Master Cook has a larger cooking area on paper, 472 SQ, versus the Weber's unspecified area but is still portable.
So size is a bit of a trade-off. What about power?
The Master Cook boasts 30,000 BTU output from its 3 burners. The Weber, oddly, only lists 1 burner, but it has a plus burner for extra searing heat and can reach higher temperatures, up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit.
Searing is important. And what about build quality? I've heard mixed things about cheaper grills.
Exactly. The Weber is known for its quality parts, like aluminum and porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which retain heat really well. Customers mention the Master Cook can feel a bit flimsy. Some even had issues with missing parts.
Okay, so Weber's better materials, even heat, and higher searing temps make up for the higher price tag and smaller size. Anything else?
The Weber includes a built-in thermometer and has a high dome lid for cooking larger items like chickens. It also has detachable side tables for easier storage. The Master Cook has foldable side tables, which is nice, and a built-in thermometer, but it's less compact overall. Plus, the Weber has optional Weber Connect Wi-Fi hub probes, if you're into that kind of thing.
Wi-Fi probes? Fancy. So it sounds like the Master Cook is good if you're on a tight budget and need a decent-sized grill, but the Weber is the better choice if you want higher quality, searing power, and don't mind paying more.
Pretty much. The Weber is a solid, portable grill with good heat control and features, whereas the Master Cook is more about value for the money, even if it cuts some corners on materials.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.